to 4 suspects broke into an electronics shop at Fourways Mall. And as the suspects were fleeing with the suspected stolen property, they were noticed by the security guards who gave chase. And as they did so, the suspects fired shots upon them. The security returned fire, and the members of the Crime Combat Unit of soldiers who were patrolling the area heard the shots and also gave chase. During the chase, the suspect vehicle, a blue BMW, lost control and collided with a minibus taxi. In that accident, one person was slightly injured, and the suspect jumped out of their getaway vehicle and tried to flee on foot. One suspect was arrested and 3 unlicensed firearms were recovered: an R4, a revolver, and a 9mm pistol. At this stage, the police are combing the fields nearby where the other suspects had fled into. They are also using police dogs.